The Barista Express Impress features an innovative assisted tamp solution called the Impress Puck System. This is made up of 3 elements. Intelligent dosing, a dosing system that learns on the job, adjusting the dose as required based on the last grind. Assisted tamping, with a 7-degree barista twist finish, with a consistent 22 pounds of pressure, replicates the very same action that a professional barista would make, which gives you a perfectly polished puck surface. Wow. Did I make that all by myself? Finally, precision measurement auto-corrects the next dose, reducing the guesswork compared to manual dosing and tamping, which can be tricky for some to master. Let's take a closer look at how it works. Place the portafilter securely into the grind cradle, and the dose light will illuminate. This machine has 25 grind size settings. The wide range allows you to finely tune the grind size for your desired extraction and flavor outcome. We recommend you start with a grind size of 16 and adjust as required, depending on your coffee beans. Now, press the dose button to start grinding. Here's where the magic of the Impress Puck system comes in. When the grind cycle is completed, the tamp light indicator will flash. Push the tamp lever downwards until you hear a beep. Pushing the lever slowly and consistently will help to improve the puck appearance. This action tamps the coffee grinds in the portafilter using a consistent 22 pounds of tamp force to create an even coffee puck. The tamp is finished off with a barista twist, rotating the tamp 7 degrees to clean off excess grinds and to polish the puck surface. Complete another tamp action for an extra polished puck surface. Release the lever slowly upwards to the home position after tamping. The dose level indicator provides feedback on your tamp. The smiley face is the ideal tamp level and the right amount of coffee grinds in the portafilter. This is the level you're aiming for. If the dose level is below the ideal amount, the machine will switch to a bit more mode. The dose button light will flash. Press the dose button to add a bit more grinds to the portafilter. Then complete another tamp for a new dose level reading. When the ideal dose level is reached, the machine will automatically calculate the auto dose time for the next grind cycle. If, on the other hand, the dose level is above the ideal middle bar, remove the portafilter from the cradle and use the razor trimming tool like this. The machine will calculate how much to reduce the auto grind time and update this for the next grind cycle. Now, you're ready to extract the perfect espresso.